Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredible topic to explore: the 18 remarkable health benefits of drinking okra water. This humble drink has an array of benefits you may not be aware of. So, stay with us as we embark on a journey through the world of okra water and its extensive health advantages. Before we delve into the benefits, let's introduce okra. Known as lady's finger, it's a vibrant green, pod-shaped vegetable used in various cuisines. What sets it apart is its impressive nutritional profile, making it a valuable addition to your water. Number 18. Muscle health. If you're into fitness, the potassium in okra water is great for muscle health. It helps prevent muscle cramps and supports optimal muscle function. Number 17. Boosted energy levels. Need an energy boost? Okra water provides essential nutrients that can increase your energy levels and keep you feeling more alert and vibrant. Number 16. Alleviating respiratory issues. If you suffer from respiratory issues like asthma, okra water's antioxidant properties may help reduce symptoms and improve lung function. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more incredible health videos. Number 15. Natural detoxification. Okra water can aid in natural detoxification. It helps flush out toxins from your body, promoting overall health and well-being. Number 14. Improved fertility. For those planning to start a family, okra water's folate content can support fertility and help reduce the risk of birth defects in newborns. Number 13. Reduced risk of anemia. If you're concerned about anemia, okra water can be a valuable addition to your diet. It's a good source of iron, which is essential for red blood cell production. Number 12. Enhanced brain function. Okra water provides nutrients that support brain health, including folate. Folate is crucial for cognitive function and can help prevent cognitive decline as you age. Number 11. Improved vision. The vitamin A in okra water is excellent for your vision. It helps maintain good eyesight and may reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration. Number 10. Bone health. Okra water is rich in vitamin K, an essential nutrient for bone health. It aids in proper calcium absorption and can help maintain strong and healthy bones. Number 9. Immune system boost. Boosting your immune system is vital, and okra water can help. It's packed with vitamin C, which supports immune function and helps your body defend against infections and illnesses. Number 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Okra water contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. This is crucial for managing conditions like arthritis and promoting overall health. Number 7. Weight management. If you're struggling with weight management, okra water can be a powerful addition to your weight loss journey. With its low calorie content and high fiber, it keeps you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to control your calorie intake. Number 6. Radiant skin. Radiant skin is within reach with okra water. The vitamins C and other antioxidants in okra help combat signs of aging and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, leaving you with healthier and more youthful-looking skin. Number 5. Heart health. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial, and okra water plays a vital role. The antioxidants and fiber in okra can help lower cholesterol levels, significantly reducing the risk of heart disease. It's a heart-healthy choice that deserves your attention. Number 4. Improved digestive health. Okra water is a true friend to your digestive system. With its high fiber content, it promotes regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of constipation. It can also help soothe gastrointestinal discomfort and lower the risk of digestive disorders. Number 3. Blood sugar control. One of the most notable benefits of okra water is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in okra can slow down sugar absorption in the digestive tract, making it an excellent choice for those with diabetes or those aiming to manage their sugar levels. Number 2. Nutrient Powerhouse. The enchantment of okra water lies in its outstanding nutritional content. It's loaded with vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and folic acid, along with essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. Plus, it's a rich source of dietary fiber. Number 1. How to make okra water. Now that we've explored these incredible benefits, let's discuss how to make okra water. It's simple. Take fresh okra pods, wash them thoroughly, slice them, and soak them in water overnight. As the nutrients are released, the water will become slightly viscous. The health benefits of drinking okra water are nothing short of amazing. It's a versatile and nutritious beverage that can assist with an array of health concerns, from blood sugar control to radiant skin. Why not give it a try and experience these benefits for yourself? If you've already tried okra water or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.